Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. In this video we can continue attendance module because last few video I will show you about the attendance admin side and teacher sides. So in this video we can show attendance in a student side because student need to know about his attendance. Suppose here I log in for student one account and after I can go to my attendance, so he need to know, okay, what is the my attendance. So what I need to do, we need to create a new menu inside a student side. After you click on the new menu and we need to show like a attendance report for these students. So let's start and show you one by one what we need to do. So let's go to student list and I can log in for a student1.test.com. I just log out for this account 1 2 3 4 5 6 because my password is always common, and I already opened my database. So just go to schools.com and let's create a right side one menu like a my exam result. After I can create a like a my attendance. So just go to resources, inside views, inside need to go layouts, added.blade.php. Just taking few seconds. Okay, now header.blade.php is open. So just go down and we can go down because this is the teachers. Now we need to go like a student. So this is the student, like user type, you can see it like a students. Okay, so just we can create a new menu, my exam result to my attendance. Just change to my exam. What I did first, I copied this one, after bottom I paste, and after I will change the route. So just we can change like my attendance here, and here also we can change because we need to add a active class. So the active class inside we can show my attendance. Okay, now everything is good. Let's save and just go back again and refresh the page. So we can see is a new menu is available, cannot available. So you can see it, new menus available, my attendance. So just I click on the my attendance. So is a 404 not found. So let's go to inside and we can create a new routes inside web.php. So just go to web.php and just go down to student sites, means a student middleware. I just copy and I paste bottom. I just change here. Here I can type my attendance student, and also I need to change like a controller name. So what controller name we are using? So just go up and check. So attendance controller. I just open the controller using the go to definition. Otherwise, do you want to open the controller? Just go to app http inside controller. Inside you can see it like a attendance controller here. Okay. So let's create a new function because we have already created new routes. Student slash my attendance. Inside you can see it, my attendance student. So just I copy and I can make one comment, student side work function my attendance student, and I just save, and we need to create a new file inside a student. So just copy two lines up one and just paste here, and after we can change here my attendance and we can remove the reports because just need to show my attendance. Here we can make like a student, and inside we need to create a new file my attendance. So let rest of we need to remove. So I just go to views, inside need to go to student, and inside I need to create a new file my attendance blade.php. Okay, so file successfully created. So just what we need to do, just go to teachers, inside you need to go to attendance. After you need to click on the reports and just copy all the files and just put here. Okay, after I can remove this is like a form validation. I know we need a form validation, but right now I can remove. After I can told you step by step how we can add. Okay, so let's remove this form validation here first. Okay, and just we can check get total, we don't need. So just remove the get total right now. Also we don't need like a for each loop, so just remove the for each loop. and also we don't need a pagination, so right now remove the pagination. Okay, means everything remove one by one. So now is a clean like a same like a simple table. Let's go back again, refresh the page so I can show you. So I just back and refresh the page, so you can see it like my attendance report, because we have copied this reason. Also you can see it like a active class, because of the we have made this is the routes name, means this is the URL segment inside header, you can see it here. Okay, so I just close these files, we don't need these files also. So just we don't need like student ID, we don't need student name, we don't need, just we need a class name, attendance type, attendance date, and created by also don't need, and created dates we can leave it, so we know okay he's the date he created attendance. Okay, and just we can change my attendance list, also we can change like my attendance here, and just remove the reports. Okay, everything is good. Let's save and go to back again and refresh the page, so you can see it like my attendance. Let's remove the list, we don't need list. Just refresh the page again, so you can see it, my attendance, class name, attendance type, attendance date, and created dates. So just we need to show first record here, after we can make a filtering. So we need to get all the records about the this student attendance. So just we need to create a new function, just I copy get records, and I can pass here $this users, sorry, auth users ID. So we are passing the data about the whatever user login, this is the parameter. So just we can change like a get record student. Okay, so let's go to student attendance models. So I just using the go to definition, otherwise do you want to use, so just need to go student means app models, inside you can see it like a student attendance. Just go down and I create a new function, get record students. Okay, so let's copy above all part like these parts, and I can put here, and also I copy and paste bottom one, these ones. Okay, so work very well. Let's remove some part we don't need. Here is a class ID created by student name, we don't need, and also we need to remove the student name, category name means a created by name, we don't need. Okay, now we have made here like simple join query, and we have get the all the student attendance. So let's show you the table first what we did here. So I go to student attendance, where is the student attendance, here there. So what I did here, first of all I will use like a self means student class, means whatever table there, this is the table name, select student attendance dot star, after class dot name is has a class name, because we have made here join query for class ID. So here is a class ID, so again I have made a join query. Okay, and after we have made like a attendance ID is a descending order, so latest record is going to first. So now we need to do here like a where student attendance dot student ID is equal to student ID, because we are passing here one parameter, you know me no, suppose you can see it like we are passing one parameter here, so this parameter we can pass here. Okay, and let's finish here semicolon, because why I am not joining this one, like otherwise I can do it like this, I can do it like this, but problem is because I need to make like a filtering, this reason I am not doing like this reason I was just same as whatever did before, like this we will leave it, because once filtering made, so we can make here like a is not empty, same like this. Okay, so let's start now, and I think it's correct for this query. Just make here dd and check record is getting not getting, so just dd, and we can check this query working not working, 100% working, error there, so we can sort out. So just back and refresh the page. So non-static method, because we have not write a static method here, like static, save, and just go back again. So you can see it like a like query is a null because we are not getting. Okay, here is the item. Inside you can see like 5 item I have found. You can see it like inside 9 array. You can see attendance date, student id, and class name also. Where is the class name? Yes, here's the class name. So we can getting everything. Okay, so everything is working very well, so no issue. So just go back again, and we can do is a for each loop inside a views, means view file at myattendance.blade.php. So just go back again, and we can remove like this comment. I don't want to like this comment, and I have already started a new series, e-commerce. So do you want to learn about e-commerce? So please follow my another series. So you can lots of learning inside e-commerce. Also you can learn here, but e-commerce also learning how to work category, how to work subcategory, like this. Okay, so let's make here a for each loop. I can make like for else. So we can make like a suppose data not there, so we can do it like a record not found. So for else get records has a dollar value. Here I can make like empty, and here I can make like and for else. So just we can using tr, inside I can make td and call span 100%. So I can write like a message record not found. Okay, and here I can do tr, inside I can make td. So first we need to show class name. So just we can type like a class name. Also we need to do the attendance type. So attendance type we need to make a copy paste work inside a reports, because here is a condition wise work, this reason. So just I copy attendance type inside teachers, and inside attendance you can see it report.blade.php. Suppose you are following this series, so you know about that, and I just paste here. So automatic get attendance types. Okay, now we need to make like attendance dates. So just td, and we can copy also attendance dates. So same thing, let's copy all, and just I put here. After whatever we don't need, just remove. So created name we don't need, just remove. Like attendance date we need, also created at we need, because we are getting the data here. You can see it created at and attendance type attendance dates. Okay, so just save this file and just go back again and refresh the page. So you can see it like a class name part time. So you are thinking, is a class name to always fixed for the students like a part time, but he has a change the class name. Suppose he is going to next year, so his a class name is a change like a part time whatever class name. So we need to show like old record, also we need to show is a current year records. This reason we are doing the join query, whatever data here there for this class for the students, so we also need to show. I will show you how to made a filtering for the class name wise, but let's continue here after I can show you. Okay, so attendance dates, attendance created dates, everything look like better. So let's type here paginations. So just go back again my reports and just copy this line and put inside a bottom. I just save now, and I just go back again. So is a filtering means a working like a pagination. Let's go back again, and I can make like a 2 and save these files and refresh the page, so you can see it like a pagination working very well, so no issue. Okay, so let's make a same as 15, and I just go back again, click on the my attendance, so whatever their record is getting. So now let's start the filtering, because the listing is done inside a schools, means inside a my attendance student side. So let's make now filtering, whatever filtering we can make here, so look like a show here. So just go to back again, and we can make a filtering after rows. So simple, just go to my reports, report.blade.php, and you can copy like a column, this column, just one, not copy cards, you just copy the cards and paste inside row here. Okay, we don't need a student id, we don't need student name, last name we don't need, just removing. Class name we don't need, but just removing here, because I can show you how to work here class name, this reason. And also we can change like a student my attendance, because reset button we need to change. Okay, so otherwise everything is good. Let's go back again, refresh the page so I can show you. Okay, just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see search my attendance. So just we can change like a search my attendance and just remove the reports words. Okay, so because I am copy pasting work, so you can understand easily, but I can explain what I did here. Okay, so don't worry about that. And just we made, okay, reset button I will change, also submit button I will change. Also I have made a form, is method is equal to get, action is equal to null, so whatever data we can refresh, we are showing the same page. And so this is the dates. Okay, now look like a better. Okay, so what we did here, like a class, so we create a one is a section select button for the class, because I already explained. Suppose sometime is a this student is going to not 100% is going to next year, so here is the class is a different, so we need to show like a part-time class also, and whatever class he is learning right now, so this class also need to show here. And attendance date, so this is the attendance date wise the filtering, attendance type, so attendance type wise the filtering. Let's make some big column, so look like a better. So here is a, we can make two, and I save these files, and I just go back again, so you can see it like a bigs. Okay, and I click on the search like a presents, so I can search, and whatever date I can search here, so you can see it like auto selection work, because of the we have already the request get attendance type here and selected there, because I already copy to teacher side, so here is already there, this reason here there also you can see it like a value there. So what we need to do here, just we need to get a class, so just we need to go back same student attendance model inside, and we can create a new function, and we need to do with a group by like a class id for this student against, and we can show here list. So let's show you how we can do it. Okay, so just do same as a copy this one and put here get class, and here you can do like a get class student. Okay, so just go to student attendance model, inside we will create a new function get class students. So just static function get class students, inside I can pass like a student id, and here I need to show like same thing. So let's type here like dollar return self select student attendance dot star. I can show you for this query. I'm just typing. Okay, after I need to make a join query, join class dot id is equal to student attendance dot class id. Okay, so just need to make where like a student attendance dot student id is equal to dollar student id, because we already passed inside a one parameter, so you can see it. Okay, now is the method, so we need to use a group by student attendance dot class id, and just you can make a like a get. So here we are getting the only record about the class, so because we need to use a class id, and we can do another one is a like a class name. So just we can type like a class dot name as a class name, because we need to use a alias this reasons. Okay, just we can do remove the dollar, and also we remove the is equal to, so it's going to back. Let's make a dd and we can check working not working. So just copy and paste bottom, and we can try. Okay, so refresh the page, so you can see it item only found one, because of the only one class there. Here you can see like a class name, and here you can see it like a class id. Okay, so no issue, working very well. Just go back again to my attendance. Here you can make for each loop as a dollar value as a dollar class, whatever do you want to like. This is the your dependency, whatever do you want to create a variable name. just I can change like select to class name. So I here select the change a class name, and also value inside I need to change like a class ID. You can see it here is getting the data like class ID and class name, these reasons. Okay, so everything is clear now. Okay, so now we need to make a auto selection. Just copy this line and paste here, and just you can change like a class ID, because yeah, here is attendance type also 1 is equal to, you can put like a, this is the class ID. So auto selection also works. Suppose whatever you can search, so automatic works. Okay, I save these files. I just go back again, refresh the page, and I can select like a class is a part time. So you can see it automatic selected. There is a part times. Okay, just make a reset. So working very well. So let's start now filtering. Suppose I can choose only presents. So need to work presents. I think we can move like attendance type before first, and after we can move like attendance date, because like here is a class name, so it's class attendance date, so we need to move first. Okay, so let's go up and just copy and put here, so look like a better, because it's like a step by step. This reason, do you whatever do you want to, like you can do it, I just show you. So it's good now. I will refresh the page, so it's good. Okay, so let's make a now like a filtering. It's a very simple. Just need to go student attendance model. We have already declared here dollar use request. So just you can copy like these three parts, and you can put bottom. Otherwise, do you want to type? So you can type like a request dot get dot class ID. So whatever class ID I getting here, so this class ID against I made a now filtering here. You can see it here. And after attendance type, so attendance type wise I made a filtering here. You can see it here. Let's make a also step by step, and also you can see it like a attendance date. But you can see it whatever date I select here, like a 24. So he is going to YMD, because I am using the default browser date picker. Suppose you are using your own date picker, so you need to convert always YMD inside. So here is a filtering works. Okay, so I hope you are clear. And same like here is the attendance type wise, because we have already made like attendance type 1 2 3 and 4, like present, late, absence and half day. So we are following this series, so you know why we did like 1 2 3 4. Okay, so everything is clear now. So let's go back again, refresh the page, and we can try work or not. So it's 100% work. You can see like a part time, presents, also we choose the date. This isn't showing the date wise. So let's make a reset, and I can select only presents. So I need to show 3 records. You can see it. So let's make a here like a total records here, so student know okay what is the my total records. So just go back again, my attendance, and here I can make like a span style, color is color blue, whatever do you want to like color you can use it. Okay, and here I can make like a get records, because we are using the pagination, this reason I can use like a total, otherwise we impossible use a total, we don't want to use a total otherwise. Okay, so just save the file and refresh the file, so you can see it like a 5. And also you can make like here totals, and just save and just go to back, so you can see total 5, because you are seeing the 5 record. Suppose I can make like absence filter, so is a record not found, you can see it because we are using the for else loop, this is showing the record not found. Okay, because data not found for inside a get record, so it's going to automatic like a inside a else, if, else and if. Same thing we did Laravel, for else, empty and for else. This reason working like this. So absent not there, here inside this reason not show. Suppose I can choose the dates, I click in the search, so you can showing the total 1 record. Also you can see it like a part-time lates. Okay, sorry, class name and attendance type, you can see it lates. So now everything is clear, and do you have any question? So please comment, and we can do next video. Like a parent side need to show his son, his daughter, whatever student parent side show, so he can see his attendance. And after, I think is a, we can finish the attendance module, and after we can do is a new module about fees, like how to collect the fee, student, how to pay, how to pay, like student account to pay, and also like a pay about payments, payment to parents need to pay, so he can also pay and student also pay. Like this we can do, and I can show you step by step what we can do it. I hope do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.